Can I try them on?
You want to try?
I want to try them on. Can I try them on? Well, how are you getting on? Welcome to Phnom Penh. Currently in the back of a tuk-tuk on the way to Central Market. Need to pick up some new things. Actually, I need to pick up a pair of underwear because I'm not wearing any. Also, want to pick up a few new t-shirts and stuff. Everything is in the laundry at the moment. I'm with my two friends here that I met at an elephant sanctuary. More on that later. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like. And if you're new around here, hit the subscribe button. Sure, look, it's free. It doesn't cost you nothing. Right, see you there.
Looking for a bag, Lucy, yeah?
Yes, I need a new backpack because I have so much shit from these stupid markets that are so great.
Underpants? I don't know.
Oh, you need underpants too?
Yeah.
You might have hit the jackpot.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Are those your favorite kind?
No.
Sorry, I have a question for you. Can I try them on?
You want to try?
I want to try them on. Can I try them on? Oh.
Lots of them coming down now.
It's not like that.
See? Oh, not bad actually. What size is that?
2XL.
2XL.
I think I need. Yeah.
You think you need 3XL maybe?
Yeah, probably.
I'm 100%. That's too small for me.
What size is it?
That's 2XL and it's too small. Too small.
I think 3XL is okay.
You have 3XL?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. It's the Asian size, right?
Yeah.
How much are these?
The same size, the same price.
Which is
$2.50.
$2.50. Let me think about it, okay? I know where you are. It's proven quite difficult to find a pair of underpants that is, number one, my size, because these Asian sizes, they're crazy. 3XL, no way. I mean, I think I'm large, maybe medium back home, so it's a bit strange. And number two, something reasonably priced. So we're just walking around the jewelry section, the loads of earrings, chains, watches, you name it. Looking for more boxers or t-shirts. I'm open.
$40 for that. 40. Is it real? It's real? Louis V?
Loads of underwear around this area. We might be in luck. We might be in luck. How much are your underwear?
$3.
$3. Ooh, more expensive than the last man. What do we think? That's big Gucci, isn't it? That's Gucci. You have this in a large. Large size. How much are they? $2. $2. Oh. Let me see. What's your best price? This is a $1 at most. $1. $1 right now. $1 right now.
like $2.50.
This is a $1. $1 right now. $1. Come on, come lower. Meet me somewhere. Come on, $1. $1. Give me a bit lower than 2. I want a bit lower than 2. A little bit lower.
If you buy a lot,
Come a little bit lower now. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, no problem.
Hello, Jinisu.
Sure, yeah, maybe.
Hello.
You can even get your hair done, your hair cut while you're at this market. You can literally get absolutely everything. Paintings, woodworks, electronics, jewellery, t-shirts, shoes, you name it. They got it. Hello. This place is so strange. You can literally walk straight in any direction. Just keep going straight. No matter what, you will end up back in the middle. I don't know how it happens, but it does. How much is this one? How much? Come on now. Give me the good price. Huh? I'll give you $2 for this one. $2. $2. There we go. Business done. Thank you. You might be wondering why I'm topless in the middle of the market right now, but the lady behind me is fixing my shirt. Two of the buttons were missing at the bottom and there was paper clips holding them in. She's sorting it. I feel civilized again.
Anh có kho đấy nha ta. Có kho đi thôi. Anh có cô áo được chút đó.
You have change?
Hello.
We're currently walking on a street right now, and I swear to God, every shop right beside each other, neighbours with each other, next door is a pharmacy. Look.
Pharmacy, 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 pharmacy. And on the other side, pharmacy. Just one on the other side.
Maybe that's the most profitable one, but isn't that mad? Where else would you see that? It's taken us a while, but we got there in the end. Success. Success. Okay people, so we got there in the end, and that is the end of our little excursion to the market and to the shopping centre. I hope you enjoyed it. In the back of the tuk-tuk now, on the way back to the hostel. If you enjoyed the video, pop it a like, comment down below, let me know what you thought, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot, and it doesn't cost you nothing, not 1 cent. Anyway, see you real soon. Good luck.